Okay, like it says in the course description, you don't need to come to this class with any prior experience. So, unfortunately for those of you who might have a little bit of experience, some of the stuff might be a little bit basic, but that's okay. If it is, just find the spot where you want to skip ahead to in the class and go there. If you have no experience, and maybe you don't even have the software necessary, let's go ahead and look to see what we need to do about that, where we can get it. There's two places you need to know about. 3D Studio Max is the modeling software that we use, and this is basically an industry standard for architectural visualization, but many other programs can be used as well to model things. In this course we're going to use 3D Studio Max, and so I want to show you how to download the free trial. If you go to this website, autodesk.com/products/3D Studio Max/free trial, and actually if we go here just to autodesk.com, and if we go to products, look for 3ds Max, and then look for free trial on the left. Then you can go to download trial. You'll have to go through all this and agree to it, accept the terms, and then 3D Studio Max will start downloading. This will give you 3D Studio Max 2015. And actually what I'm going to be using is 3D Studio Max 2011, but that's okay because the features are basically the same. If anything, 2015 will have some things that I don't have that might be helpful to you. But really, the basic modeling, the basic lighting, all those kinds of things has pretty much remained the same. Now, that's our modeling software. If you get that and go through the installation process, you can start your 30-day free trial of this, and that should give you enough time to follow along with this course. Or maybe you already have the software purchased from somewhere else, or you're a student or something. That's all okay. It should all work for this course. Now, Chaos Group is the other place we need to know about. We go here to download V-Ray. V-Ray is a really awesome software. It is a plugin for 3D Studio Max, and we use it for in visualization. We use it, and again, it's kind of an industry standard. It's used for the materials, the lighting, and the rendering. All the other parts besides modeling use V-Ray for, just because it's smooth, it's fast, very high quality, very simple to use. It just has everything you want in a render engine. So for this, you would need to register and then log in. Let me do that real quick. Okay, once you're logged in, go to Downloads, V-Ray for Max, 3D Studio Max. Go here, you'd want to go to V-Ray for Max, and if you just downloaded the sample of Max 2015, and you're on a 64-bit machine, which hopefully you are, then this is the one you want right here. Oh, sorry, just kidding. That's V-Ray 2.5. That's the older version. There is V-Ray 3.0 now, Max 2015. That's the guy you'd want right there, and you can download that as a free sample as well.